In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel an order on Big Cartel. First, let's demystify something. Many people think that the process of managing orders online can be complex and time-consuming. However, platforms like Big Cartel have made it incredibly straightforward and user-friendly, especially for artists and small business owners looking to streamline their operations. One task that may arise in managing your online store is cancelling an order. Whether it's due to a customer's request or stock issues, knowing how to navigate this process is crucial. So, let's dive right into it. Picture this. You've just made a sale on your Big Cartel store, but either due to an inventory mishap or a customer changing their mind, you now need to cancel this order. Worry not, as the process is simple. First things first, you have to log into your Big Cartel account. To do that, launch your preferred web browser and head over to the Big Cartel website. On the homepage, you'll find a login button. Click on it. This step is where you begin to dive into the administrative side of your store. Once you click on login, you'll be prompted to enter your shop URL. This URL is unique to your store. It's essentially the web address where people can find your products. After entering your shop URL, you'll then need to input your password. I can't stress enough how important it is to ensure your password is kept secure and private, as it's the key to accessing the sensitive details of your business. After successfully logging in, you'll be taken to your dashboard. This is where all the magic happens, where you can see your sales, update products, and of course manage orders. Your next step is to get a visual on what your customers see when they visit your store. To do that, click on Preview Your Shop. This action allows you to view your store as a visitor, providing you with the customer's perspective, which is invaluable in managing your store effectively. Now let's proceed to the core of today's tutorial. Click on the cart icon. This is likely where a customer would go if they wish to review items before finalizing their purchase. In this scenario, however, you're looking to remove an item due to the reasons we mentioned earlier. Upon clicking on the cart, you will see the items currently pending in your store's shopping cart. Find the product that needs to be removed and click on Remove. This action will take the item out of the cart, effectively cancelling the order for that particular product. It's as simple as that. A couple of tips to enhance your management skills on Big Cartel. Always communicate with your customers before cancelling an order. Whether it's through email or a direct message, a quick note explaining the situation can go a long way in maintaining good customer relations. Secondly, routinely check your inventory levels to minimize the need for order cancellations. This proactive approach can save you time and keep your customers satisfied. And that, my friends, is the straightforward process of cancelling an order on Big Cartel. As you can see, it doesn't require any technical skills, just a bit of navigation through your shop's dashboard and the understanding of how to interact with your shopping cart. Navigating the back end of any online store can seem daunting at first glance. However, as we've demonstrated today, platforms like Big Cartel are designed with the user in mind, providing a seamless and intuitive experience for shop owners. By following these simple steps, you can manage your orders with ease, ensuring your store operates smoothly and your customers remain happy. Remember, running an online store is a learning process filled with trial and error. Don't be discouraged by the bumps along the road. Instead, see them as opportunities to grow and refine your business practices. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Whether you're new to Big Cartel or looking to brush up on your order management skills, these steps will equip you with the knowledge you need to handle order cancellations like a pro. Remember, the key to a successful online store is not just in making sales, but in how you manage every aspect of your business, from inventory to customer interactions. Thank you for tuning in, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on managing your online store. Here's to your success in the digital marketplace.